Hi guys, so today's recipe is for everyone who loves Panipuri and pizza. Cause we are making Panipuri pizza, or the Pizzapuris is what we like to call it. For that, we need loads of veggies. Finely chop all the veggies and get them ready to be turned into this drool-worthy filling for our puris. Look at those brilliant colors. So vibrant, isn't it? It's time to combine all the veggies together. Add in salt to taste, pepper, oregano, chili flakes, truckloads of mayonnaise, and tomato ketchup. Combine all this very well. It's time to poke in a hole in our puris and fill them with yumminess. Stuff it with the mixture and prepare it for the last step. Cheese is our last step. Loads of it until it covers all the puris. You could pop this in your microwave for a couple of seconds and let the cheese get gooey and tacky, but this tastes equally lip-smacking. Do try this out and let us know if you like these pizza puris as much as we do. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Cook, Eat, Travel, Repeat. Have a great day.